What's going on, everybody? Baird here, back again with Spec of Tech. Welcome to the channel. I just finished filming the unboxing of the PB2000 Pro, so yes, I'm wearing the same clothes for this video. Don't judge me. Alright, so in this video, guys, I'm going to be doing a full tour of my home theater system, all the speakers, all my components. There's been some people asking me for this, and I think it's about time that I give you guys what you want. But before we get into it, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, tick the little bell icon so you can be notified when my next video drops. So I've been accused of rambling in one of my videos, so I'm just going to get right into this one, right after the intro. Alright guys, so starting from my right channel, this is my Klipsch RF62 V that I'm running for my right channel. And then moving on to the audio racks. These are Sanus audio racks. I can't remember the model, but they're discontinued anyway, so it's not like it would matter. Nobody can buy these anymore anyway. Yes, I'm that type of guy that likes to use all kinds of different remotes. I'm not a fan of universals. So on my right audio rack here, this is my Panasonic UB820 4K Blu-ray player. This is my Denon AVR-X 4400H, which I pretty much just use as a processor. I have two separate amps that I use to run my speakers, and it's using an AC Infinity USB thermostat and two AC Infinity S2 fans, which I find to run quieter than the T-model AC Infinity fans, and it also helps with cooling better than the T-models, I find. Same thing here, AC Infinity USB thermostat, two S2 fans on top, and this is a Marantz MM7055 5-channel power amplifier, rated at 140 watts per channel, 2 channels driven, and about 107, I believe, watts per channel, all channels driven, and that is currently powering my 4 Atmos speakers. And moving over to the center channel, another Klipsch RF62 V, right below my 75-inch Samsung QLED Q6 FN. And I know some people are going to say my TV's a little high because I have to fit this speaker underneath, but it works for me because of how I sit. It's very comfortable for me. Alright, my left rack here, Xbox One X, Xbox 360 with the Kinect on the side there. Another AC Infinity USB thermostat, which is cooling the amp below, but first is my Panamax MR5100 power conditioner, which I like because it had the 11 outlets on it. And below that is my Tonewinner AD7300 7-channel power amplifier, and this one is powering all my floor speakers, so my LCR, my side surrounds, and my rear surrounds. It's rated for 300 watts per channel. I believe it is about 260 watts per channel, all channels driven. If you have any questions about that amplifier, leave them down below. I'll be glad to help you out. Alright guys, moving on. There's the TV again, which is mounted to the ceiling. And then my left channel here is another Klipsch RF62 V. Right next to one of my Power Sound Audio TV3612 subwoofers, 1920 watts RMS, 4300 peak, and that's dual 8-inch drivers. If you guys want to watch some videos on that, you can click on the top right hand corner of this video. Behind that, just a printer, and behind that is my Asus gaming router. I believe it's the AC2900, and then just a display for some of my belongings. There's a little award from work, stuffed bunny, and then some movie memorabilia right beside my Alexa. So we got Scream, Freddy, Pennywise from It, and some Batman decals that I need to find a place for, a little clown, Venom, Terminator coffee mug, Superman, and Spawn, and we got the 2 Predators up there carrying some skulls. So there's the wife's leather recliner, rocker, power recliner. and then the grill for my TV 3612. There's one of my Valencia Pisa leather recliners, and then behind that is the Klipsch RF62 V surround speaker. And don't mind my cable mess there, I have to charge batteries for my kids and everything. So I do have kids, so things aren't going to be as neat and tidy as I'd like. There's my movie collection with my Scorpion and Sub-Zero bookends holding them up. And I'm kind of falling behind on organizing them, as you can see on the top there. And actually this chair is kind of blocking the sound from that speaker, so I might be getting rid of it. It never gets used anyway. It's kind of just was an addition. And my curtain, which I installed just to separate the room a little bit. Like I said, this is a family room as well, and it is open to the rest of my house. I have a 4-level split, so this is the 3rd level, and that curtain just kind of blocks the light from the other level. And before moving on to the ceiling, we have, if it'll focus, there we go. That is my Valencia Verona recliner, so that's the captain's chair. I just wanted something that had opening armrests for me, because I can put my remotes and whatnot in there. And then another Pisa. Oh, and I can't forget the wine holder here on the Verona. And then another Valencia Pisa with a table tray. And then another Valencia Pisa with a table tray. And they're all 9000 top grain leather power recliners. This is a Klipsch RF62 V. Behind that is the Klipsch RF62 version 5. And to get a better view here, and yes, I know the rear speakers are a little close to my seats, but I have to deal with the space I got. Another Klipsch RF62 version 5. And for that tactile feel, this right here is a PSA TV 3612 subwoofer. Dual 18-inch driver, 1920 watts RMS and 4300 watts peak, just like the other one in the corner, which provides me some amazing tactile response. Got my daughter's toys. For Atmos, that is a Klipsch AW650 outdoor speaker. Because I had a floor right above this, I couldn't just cut everything up to put in-ceiling speakers. So these came with nice brackets that just made it easy for me to install. So that's the height right and the height left. And then for the rears, I have the Klipsch AW450s. So that's the height rear left and the height rear right. Alright guys, that concludes my home theater tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about my system or any component of it, make sure you drop the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer any questions you might have. And if you enjoyed my home theater tour, make sure you hit that like button. It really does help out the channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and click the little bell icon. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, stay techie.